Welcome, it's Denome. This video is just going to be a quick update on Bitcoin once again. We're briefly going to talk about what's going on with the Bitcoin price. And to me, this is looking like a dump is coming, in my opinion. Of course, it could not happen. It may happen, whatever. But to me, it's just looking like a dump. And the reason is, well, twofold. First, we've been in this bearish channel for a while, and now we're about to touch the top of the line here. So I guess we might actually go and touch it, but we don't have to. What's gonna happen on the 15th of September or 16th is the Ethereum merge will happen. So if you have some assets in smart contracts, it's actually advisable. I saw, I think it was Grayscale, the big fund, issued a warning that your assets might get stuck in smart contracts after the merge. So just so you're safe, you may want to unwind some of those assets. And because there's this fear going on, that could actually lead to a dump. Usually these events are not, causing any major moves to the upside, because at least for this new Ethereum update, there's nothing basically changes, except we're starting to use the proof of stake network instead of the proof of work. So this will not improve the usability of Ethereum in any way yet. Those will come in later updates. As well as there's the Mt. Gox situation. It's an exchange that went bankrupt, and about 100,000 Bitcoin is going to be released also in a few days, or should be released. This always gets postponed, but maybe it will happen this time. If it happens, it's gonna align pretty well here with the Ethereum merge as well. And just looking at the trend line here to the downside, we had a touch on the bottom here, then we had a nice bounce to the upside. I actually bought about $10,000 worth of Bitcoin here, about 18,800. So I was able to get the absolute bottom here, just because the risk reward was pretty good for this small move. So that was only like a 15% move that I got, then I sold it, and now I'm just expecting a dump. But if we actually get out of this channel, then I'm gonna be increasingly more bullish again. But just at the upward side of the channel, I have to look for the opportunities for the downside. So anyway, to me, all these things together looks like a high probability of more downside in the near term. So you may want to take off some profits if you were able to make any in this dump here, or just have some assets ready if in case there's a nice dump that you might actually buy Bitcoin and the altcoins a little bit lower as well. So that's basically all I have for the update. Nothing crazy, nothing too interesting. Just showing the situation that in a few days the merge will happen, and maybe you want to protect your assets by taking profits out, and also you may want to unwind some of your assets from DeFi in case you have big positions there as well. Anyway, that's it for this update. Hope you liked it. Consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next video.